Hello. Yesterday I have a training and over there was the question how to get a picture from ChatGPT and import to the Word. And I'd like to show you in the quick way and in easy way. Yeah, what does it mean? In the ChatGPT you are able to create a picture and set, for example, create an image with the grass, sunny days, and for example, the summer day. The system will, based on the prompt, create an image for you directly, and then you are able to download this image by this icon. The system will download, so you are able to open, show in File Explorer, and when the File Explorer will be open, you can recognize easily that the system create the File tab as the web. And what does it mean? If you will select rename, you can also see the file type here. Yeah, and this file tab is not allowed to use in the Word document. So I'd like to show you, if we will open the Word document and simple with the drag and drop functionality, we would like to add this picture, the system will show me that, sorry, I'm not able to import this file type into Word. So what does it mean? You can open the picture or image with the Paint, and directly in the Paint, you are able to select the map key or hotkey, the F12, and the system will allow to you to save the file, for example, as the PNG file or JPEG file, and these file types are possible to import to Word. So I will use the JPEG. We are able to confirm save, and when you will finish and some transparency will be there, the system will remove the transparency because JPEG doesn't use the transparency. And now, really easily, the new document is created. It's as the JPEG file. If I hit F2 or rename functionality, we can also see that it's the .jpeg, and the JPEG is really easy to use and drag and drop into Word documents, and directly in the Word, you are able to work with the picture and images and set up the preferences as usually you are using it. So in this example, you have seen how it's possible to generate image by ChatGPT and then download and import and transform to Word documents. Thanks for your question, and bye-bye.